how to fix Instagram error. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have in your mobile phone. Wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it and now click on permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, click on data usage, disable these options and enable them back again. Go back, click on storage, clear the data and cache. Go back, click on the open by default option, click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow, and then go to the Play Store, search for Instagram and update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.